All right, guys, so I just recently had the battery go dead in this from sitting. Currently, you can see that my window is cracked. I've had this problem before in the past where the window won't roll up all the way or it cracks after opening the door. I've got the window reset procedure and I'm actually going to try this and see if it works according to what they said. All right, so they say start the car after full battery, and basically they just say to hold the thing at the full up for 2 seconds. So we're gonna try that. All right, so that's 5 seconds. I'm gonna try it now just to see what happens. Alright, so the problem was not that. The actual problem was after shutting the car off and opening the door, the window would crack and not go up. So let's see what happens. Yay, it worked. I'm so glad because I love when things actually work on the internet when you read it. So I'm going to step out one more time, pull the key, close the door, and let's just hope that everything is good. There you go. Hold it in the up position for over 2 seconds and it should work. Yay me.